Political activist and whistleblower Blessed Gesa has launched a stinging attack on Zimbabwe's ruling elite, accusing businessman Kudakwashi Tagwirei of leading a grand-scale looting operation under the protection of President Emerson Mnangagwa. Sanapenda mashikobranyi kwachinze, we are taking decisive action by Bombshell Geza. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tibila panapa mnaomobranyi kwa mchinzi. In a no-holds-barred address following the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair, ZITF, Geza alleged that Tagwirei's meteoric rise to wealth was not the result of enterprise, but the state-sanctioned plunder. People must understand where Tagwirei's riches came from. He began with one fuel station called Sakunda, Geza said. Then came Command Agriculture. Turns out that public money he never gave back. Geza painted a picture of a corruption empire built on the backs of ordinary citizens, with military-linked companies and national assets allegedly handed over to Tagwirei. Among the state resources named were Sandawana mine shares in Great Dyke Investments and firms in financial distress, transferred according to Geza with government approval and no accountability. Geza also claimed that Tagwirei was trying to manipulate religious institutions, alleging that the tycoon was now targeting the Seventh-day Adventist Church for influence through financial donations. He contrasted this with the Zimbabwe's failing education and healthcare system. Civil servants are surviving on crumbs, he said. Yet someone who never passed grade 7 walks off with $540 million just for standing next to Mnangagwa. What kind of system is that? Mashukatona Bombshell Geza arikuvava arikudya makaka mambishi pamusoro pokuda Tagwirei achiti aiwa vakomana ava aiwa zvavari kuita izvi hazvina kunaka. These guys aiwa vanofanira kumboinvestigatewa. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko chimira comment section. Mafunguro enyu, no subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.